Inserting objects in screens. When a screen is opened in Movicon Workspace, the Screen Manager ribbon is activated along with the Toolbox and Symbol Gallery windows. These two windows can be left hidden or docked in the foreground as preferred. The Movicon Graphics Editor can be used as pleased to edit graphics by using the basic shape provided in the Toolbox Shapes category. The drawings can be configured as pleased, using their properties to define colors, gradients, styles, transparency, along with others. The drawings you create can then be grouped in symbols and added into the symbol library, as we will see later ahead. The graphical designs can also be imported from external using the standard XAML format. When using the import XAML command from the Insert Group ribbon, you will be able to select the XAML graphics file and turn it into a Movicon symbol with all the effects on your screen and insert it later into the symbol library.